the joy, I've felt the pain. Every scar tells a story true. Now the light is shining through. From the days when I was young and wild, now I stand calm, meek and mild. Time has carved the stronger soul, a heart of gold that's growing old. These are the golden years, no fear, no tears. Blessings fall like morning rain. Through the laughter, through the pain, Jah has kept us all the same. Golden years, so bright, so clear. Wisdom rising like the sun. Life's sweet song is never done. Give thanks for everyone. Lines upon this face I wear, proof of love and answered prayer. Children grow and carry on. Roots stay deep though time moves on. In the twilight I can see all the things life gave to me. Peace of mind, a grateful heart. Every end's a brand new start. These are the golden years, no fear, no tears. Blessings fall like morning rain. Through the sunshine and the strain, Jah's love forever reign. Golden years, so bright, so near. Every breath a gift to hold, more precious now than minted gold. A richer story told. Give thanks for the journey, give thanks for the days. Every step was guided in so many ways. Now we stand in the evening light, hearts at peace, our souls upright. Not the end, just higher ground, where eternal love is found. Golden years, blessed years. Give thanks, give thanks. Jah guide forever. Ooh, give thanks for life, give thanks. I've walked the road through fire and rain, felt the joy, I've felt the pain. Every scar tells a story true. Now the light is shining through. From the days when I was young and wild, now I stand calm, meek and mild. Time has carved a stronger soul, a heart of gold that's growing old. These are the golden years, no fear, no tears. Blessings fall like morning rain. Through the laughter, through the pain, Jah has kept us all the same. Golden years, so bright, so clear. Wisdom rising like the sun. Life's sweet song is never done. Give thanks for everyone. Lines up on this face I wear, proof of love and answered prayer. Children grow and carry on. Roots stay deep though time moves on. In the twilight I can see all the things life gave to me. Peace of mind, a grateful heart. Every end's a brand new start. These are the golden years, no fear, no tears. Blessings fall like morning rain. Through the sunshine and the strain, Jah's love forever reign. Golden years, so bright, so near. Every breath a gift to hold, more precious now than minted gold. A richer story told. Give thanks for the journey, give thanks for the days. Every step was guided in so many ways. Now we stand in the evening light, hearts at peace, our souls upright. Not the